Working from home, huh? Your cat doesn't think so. So how can we save... sorry. Save our work efficiency, pets' comfort, and device itself?
Wool and dust in devices are the most common reasons why people come to us.
Lenovo introduces Meowbook, laptop for cats. Put it next to your notebook. Connect the USB heater. Stay together while working. Research came first. Why cats occupy human devices?
Honestly, when the first questioned me, I was like, are you kidding? But Lenovo wasn't, so I gave them advice to make it soft, warm, and hypoallergenic.
Meowbook, it's a functional cat lounge. Minimalism and colors in Lenovo style. Ear-shaped clasps. Built-in USB heater. Meow pad with massage effect. Gaming mouse. Anti-slip legs. Changeable wallpapers. Also one with cat care schedule. The world welcomed Meowbooks. They were out of stock in a few weeks, and people couldn't stop sharing joy. Meowbook release even became a hot topic of the popular morning show.
Цей котобук унікальний дійсно. Люсь, покажи, будь ласка.
Унікальний, так, подивіться, тут є спеціальна клавіатура.
We got over 9.5 million impressions, but people are already asking for the next release. Moreover, Lenovo connected tech with emotions when everybody needed it the most. Lenovo Meowbook. Innovations start with care.